It is required to have a lightning arrestor installed on a rooftop-mounted generator. National Electrical Code Section 800.53d states that lightning protection shall be provided for generator sets located on roofs or in locations subject to direct lightning strikes. Underwriters Laboratories Standard 2200 Section 10-7.21 says that generator sets installed on rooftops or other exposed locations shall have a lightning arrestor. The reason a lightning arrestor is required is because lightning strikes can damage the generator, fuel tank, and electrical components. A lightning arrestor provides a path for the lightning current to flow safely to the ground, protecting the equipment. When installing the lightning arrestor, install the lightning arrestor at the highest point of the generator. Use a lightning arrestor specifically designed for rooftop generators. Connect the lightning arrestor to the generator ground system using a surge arrestor. In addition to the lightning arrestor, other lightning protection measures may be necessary, such as grounding the generator tank and bonding the generator to the roof structure. It is always best to consult a qualified electrician for proper installation and maintenance of the lightning arrestor and grounding system. Lightning protection is crucial for rooftop generators due to their exposed location. Direct lightning strikes can inflict significant damage, leading to costly repairs and potential safety hazards. The primary function of a lightning arrestor is to divert the high voltage surge from a lightning strike safely to the ground, thus preventing damage to sensitive electrical and mechanical components within the generator system. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, serves as the cornerstone for electrical safety standards in the United States. Section 800.53d specifically addresses the need for lightning protection for generator sets situated on rooftops or in areas prone to direct lightning strikes. This requirement aims to minimize the risk of damage and ensure the safe operation of the generator. Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, Standard 2200, Section 10-7.21, reinforces this requirement by stating that generator sets installed on rooftops or other exposed locations must have a lightning arrestor. UL 2200 focuses on the safety of stationary engine generator assemblies, and this provision highlights the importance of protecting these installations from lightning hazards. The absence of a lightning arrestor can have dire consequences. A direct lightning strike can induce a powerful surge of electricity that can overload and destroy the generator's control systems, windings, and other critical components. The fuel tank, often located near the generator, poses a fire hazard if struck by lightning. Furthermore, the surge can propagate through the building's electrical system, damaging connected equipment and potentially causing electrical fires. The proper installation of a lightning arrestor involves several key steps. Firstly, the lightning arrestor should be installed at the highest point of the generator to provide the most effective point of interception for lightning strikes. Secondly, the lightning arrestor must be specifically designed for rooftop generators, ensuring that it can handle the voltage and current associated with lightning strikes. Thirdly, the lightning arrestor should be connected to the generator's grounding system using a surge arrestor, facilitating a safe and direct path for the lightning current to the ground. A surge arrestor is a device designed to protect electrical equipment from voltage spikes by limiting the excess voltage and diverting the surge current. In addition to the lightning arrestor and surge arrestor, additional lightning protection measures can further enhance the safety and reliability of the generator system. Grounding the generator tank helps to dissipate any charge buildup and reduce the risk of sparks that could ignite fuel vapors. Bonding the generator to the roof structure provides a low impedance path for lightning current to flow to the ground, minimizing the potential for damage to the generator and the building. Regular inspection and maintenance of the lightning protection system are essential. Over time, corrosion, wear, and tear can compromise the effectiveness of the lightning arrestor and grounding system. Periodic inspections should include checking the condition of the lightning arrestor, verifying the integrity of the grounding connections, and testing the surge arrestor to ensure it is functioning properly. It is recommended to engage a qualified electrician to conduct these inspections and perform any necessary repairs or replacements. A qualified electrician possesses the knowledge, skills, and experience to ensure that the lightning protection system is properly installed, maintained, and compliant with applicable codes and standards. They can assess the specific needs of the installation, recommend appropriate lightning protection measures, and perform the work safely and effectively. Furthermore, the electrician can provide guidance on other electrical safety considerations related to the generator system, such as proper wiring, overcurrent protection, and emergency shutdown procedures. When selecting a lightning arrestor for a rooftop generator, it is important to consider several factors, including the generator size, the location's lightning strike frequency, and the applicable codes and standards. The lightning arrestor should be rated to handle the anticipated surge current from lightning strikes and should be constructed of durable materials that can withstand the harsh rooftop environment. The installation should be performed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and applicable codes, and the system should be thoroughly tested to ensure it is functioning properly. Investing in a quality lightning protection system is a worthwhile investment that can protect the generator, the building, and the people inside from the hazards of lightning strikes. By following the recommendations of the National Electrical Code, Underwriters, Laboratories, and qualified electricians, you can ensure the safe and reliable operation of the rooftop generator. The importance of grounding cannot be overstated in lightning protection systems. Grounding provides a low-resistance path for the lightning current to flow safely to the earth, minimizing the potential for damage to equipment and injury to people. The grounding system should be designed and installed in accordance with applicable codes and standards, and it should be regularly inspected and maintained to ensure its effectiveness. In addition to grounding the generator tank and bonding the generator to the roof structure, it is also important to ground the building's electrical system. This creates a common ground reference point that helps to equalize the voltage potential between different parts of the building, reducing the risk of electrical shock and equipment damage. The grounding system should be connected to a grounding electrode, such as a ground rod or ground plate that is buried in the earth. The grounding electrode should be located in an area with good soil conductivity to ensure that the lightning current can be effectively dissipated into the earth. Surge protection is another essential component of a comprehensive lightning protection system. Surge protectors are devices that are designed to protect electrical equipment from voltage spikes by limiting the excess voltage and diverting the surge current. Surge protectors are typically installed at the service entrance of the building and at various points throughout the electrical system to protect sensitive equipment from voltage surges caused by lightning strikes, power line disturbances, and other sources. Surge protectors come in a variety of types and sizes, and it is important to select the appropriate surge protectors for the specific application. The surge protector should be rated to handle the anticipated surge current and should be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. In addition to lightning protection, it is also important to consider other electrical safety measures for rooftop generators. These measures may include proper wiring, overcurrent protection, and emergency shutdown procedures. The wiring for the generator should be sized appropriately for the generator's output and should be installed in accordance with applicable codes and standards. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, should be installed to protect the wiring and equipment from overloads and short circuits. Emergency shutdown procedures should be in place to allow for the safe and rapid shutdown of the generator in the event of an emergency. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of a rooftop generator. Maintenance tasks may include checking the oil level, coolant level, and fuel level, inspecting the wiring and connections, and testing the generator's output. It is also important to clean the generator regularly to remove dirt, dust, and debris that can accumulate and cause overheating. The maintenance schedule should be based on the manufacturer's recommendations and the generator's operating conditions. Consult with a qualified electrician to develop a comprehensive maintenance plan and to perform any necessary repairs or replacements. When working with electricity, it is important to always follow safe work practices. These practices may include wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection, to energizing circuits before working on them, and using insulated tools. It is also important to be aware of the potential hazards of working with electricity, such as electric shock and arc flash, and to take steps to mitigate these hazards. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the work. In conclusion, lightning protection is a critical safety consideration for rooftop generators. By following the recommendations of the National Electrical Code, Underwriters, Laboratories, and qualified electricians, you can ensure the safe and reliable operation of the generator and protect the building and its occupants from the hazards of lightning strikes. Remember to install a lightning arrestor at the highest point, use surge protection, and ground all metallic parts. Also, get it inspected and maintained regularly. This should prevent most problems.